Dave, Andy Santor, thanks for coming today. Going to take a look at two videos of you down the line. Now, this video left was taken today. Video right was taken back in May. And what you'll see from this angle is how much better job we're doing in maintaining our posture on our downswing. Here we go into our backswing. Now you'll see here, video right, as we go into our downswing, our torso or upper body is starting to move upward. You can definitely see we're maintaining our posture better. Video left, which is today, at impact and right through impact. We're doing a much better job of maintaining that posture, and we're doing that by chasing that trail shoulder or right shoulder down the line. So looks better, looking better. So keep working on that. We'll see you.